Mnangagwa's Vision 2030, a recipe for resource looting. Sanapena mashoko anobuda achitsanangura panapa vanhu vachiti aiwa Vision 2030 iyi vakomana musafunga kuti aiwa inenge iri development kana zvimwe zvingashamisira, asi panapa vari kuitaura vachiti aiwa this is the recipe for resource looting. Sanapena mashoko anobuda achitaurwa nekunyorwa panapa noti wasubscribe walike on the bell icon. Tipinda panapa muchange radio amudanyira achiti Mr. Mnangagwa's frequent references to his Vision 2030 plan have raised eyebrows among many Zimbabweans. The question on everyone's mind is, what exactly does he plan to achieve by 2030? A closer examination of the situation reveals that Vision 2030 may be nothing more than a thinnly veiled attempt to plunder the country's resources. Rather than outlining concrete, tangible projects aimed at uplifting the lives of Zimbabweans, Vision 2030 appears to be a vague, amorphous concept designed to justify the continued looting of national resources. The lack of transparency and accountability surrounding the initiative has only fueled suspicions that it is merely a vehicle for self-enrichment. As the country grapples with crippling economic woes, crumbling infrastructure, and widespread poverty, it is imperative that any development plans prioritize the needs and welfare of the people. Unfortunately, Vision 2030 seems to be driven by the interests of a privileged few rather than the greater good. Ndo mashoko atikona aiwa ari kuchitsanangurwa panapa vanhu vachiti aiwa vakomana they are just chanting the Vision 2030 but hatisi kumbonzwa zvinhu zvine musoro zvavari kutaura kuti they wanna achieve by 2030, but panapa sezvavanongoziva kuti vakomana aiwa vakomana vanoduta they are sure kuti aiwa by 2030 vanenge vakonzeresa extinction yemaresources kana maminerals emunyika yezimbabwe. Tudze mafungiro enyu moti kudii pamusoro pechiitiko ichi? Munai comment section medu, musana subscribe or like, turn on the bell icon.